Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you delete the transaction history on Airtm. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, make sure you have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work smoothly in this process. After you have that done, you can open the app. Of course, you have to be logged in and you should find something that looks like this. Now I have no transaction history, but if you have any, you should find it on this page right here. As you can see, I have no transaction history. Anyways, let's carry on with our video. You should start by tapping here in the bottom right corner on those three dots. Now from here, simply tap on settings right there. In settings, you should find this box in the top, tap on it, and then select security right here. You should be taken to this page. Now tap on delete account, this red button right here. And that's right guys, you have to delete your account to delete the transaction history, because basically it is illegal for Airtm to let you delete the transaction history at all. So basically, in order for you to delete the transaction history, you need to delete your whole account on Airtm. That is it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.